No.
What a nice day. Holy cow. It's 9 o'clock. We were supposed to meet all the bad guys at 9 o'clock. No, at night. We did that yesterday. Oh, yeah. And we killed them. Yeah. But they're still alive and they taped off. Well, now, let's go hear their plan. Bye-bye, History Grand. Wait, are we on TV? Yes. Then bye, History Grand. I'm leaving. You disappeared. I'm right here. Bye-bye. That's lava.
Meanwhile, at the villain's lair.
Hey, guys, wake up. We're going to lay here, but you can talk. We didn't make a plan, and the good guys will never hear it.
Actually, they're going to probably hear it, because there's actually a huge wall, right, the huge no wall thing right there, so they're probably going to hear our plan.
Well, let's whisper it. Huddle up, everybody. Or just get in a pile.
Translation. Kill them.
Back at the good guy's place.
Let's go. Take off. Yeah. Flying power. I could have just used my flying power, but who cares? Well, I guess I'll fly like this. Oh, I really should use my flying powers. Wait, you're lying on lava. He's dead! Run! Panic! Don't panic! My butt's on fire!
Back at the bear guy's lair while the other guys are in the hospital.
Hey, I think they were in the emergency room. Hey, you weren't supposed to fall out. That's not your cue.
I'm sorry, sir, but I thought it was.
Well, it's not. So you better lick your snot. Well, I think the good guys are going to plan to attack. Or maybe we should plan first.
Oh, yeah, remember our plan?
Oh, yeah, let's fly there. Grab a weapon.
We only have one, this bazooka thing.
Okay.
Ah, man, that's hard work.
Yeah, ha, ha, ha. You're funny.
Cha-chang, cha-chang, it's all about the boom, boom. Okay, let's fly to the good guy's lair.
Well, if it isn't those weird, I think ugly face people, whatever. We're bad guys! Don't panic. You know what, you actually might want to panic because we're going to crash this boat into your place, so. What? It wasn't your cue to fall out again, you idiot! I'm taking you to jail.
Why isn't this affecting them?
And that was the end of the bad guys and good guys. No, it wasn't. Half the guys aren't even dead.